Today we are going to see the types of sentences. First we can see what is a sentence. Sentence means it's a group of words that expresses a meaning. When you speak or write, you will be forming a sentence by joining lot of words which gives a proper meaning. That is called a sentence. Make a sentence, at least one subject and one verb should be there. For example, birds fly, the sun rises, So if we are saying the sun, does it make any meaning? No. So a sentence needs the noun and the verb. So then a sentence starts with a capital letter and we should use punctuation marks while writing. Sometimes the subject of the sentence can be hidden, but the verb must be visible and present in the sentence. So verb is called the heart of the sentence. For example, do it. Is there any subject? You do it. So you is hidden here, but we can understand the meaning. So do is the verb here which gives complete meaning. 4 types of sentences. They are declarative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence and interrogative sentence. So you know how to make a sentence. For example, I like to go to beach. So this is a sentence. So this sentence is also called as declarative sentence which says the statement or gives some information. So this type of I like to go to beach is a assertive sentence. If you are saying that negatively, I don't like to go to beach, so that belongs to negative sentence. So declarative sentence has 2 types, assertive sentence and negative sentence. We can see elaborately what are the things comes under these types of sentences. So these are the 4 types of sentences. He stopped. This is your information. So it comes under which sentence? Assertive sentence or declarative sentence also you can say. Did he stop? This is a question. So it comes under interrogative sentence. Stop. It's a command. So it comes under imperative sentence. How he stopped? So it shows the emotion. So it comes under exclamatory sentence. So can you see each type of sentences has one mark at the end of the sentence. So these marks are called punctuation marks. So then all the sentences begins with capital letter. So while we write any sentences, we should start with a capital letter and end with punctuation marks. Full stop. We use full stop after the declarative sentence and imperative sentence. This is exclamatory mark. We use the exclamatory marks at the end of the sentence or after the interjections. Interjections will be used in the exclamatory sentences. Interjection means nothing but alas, oh, wow, like that. We used to say some words out of our feelings, which burst our feelings. So after that verse, we used to put exclamatory marks and we should continue with capital letter if any sentences are there after interjections. So next is question mark. Question mark will come at the end of the interrogative sentence. Full stop and exclamatory marks comes for the imperative sentence. Stop. Do sentence makes a statement. It ends with a period. Ends with a period means what? It ends with a full stop. So while writing we should use that punctuation marks. The boy is happy. That is my camera. I put my money in piggy bank. The people are running. The eagle is flying. So all these are some informations. So each and every sentence starts with one capital letter. Each and every sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means ask a question. It ends with the question mark. So if you ask the question, you can use question mark at the end of the sentence. While writing, we should put question mark. Did you turn the light off? May I borrow your newspaper? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? So all these are questions. So after the question, you should use question mark. Next is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives a command or it makes a request. Mom, please tie my shoes. So this is a request. Open your mouth. It's a command. Please bring the pizza to the table. It's a request. Mark, do all your homework before you go out to play. Do 10 push-ups and 20 jumping jacks. Do 10 push-ups and 20 jumping jacks. So all these are commanding sentences. So requesting and commanding sentences comes under imperative sentence. We can use full stops or sometimes we can use exclamatory marks. Stop it. So after this sentence you can use exclamatory mark. Next is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. It ends with an exclamatory mark. Happy birthday, Tom. So he's saying happily. So they have used exclamatory mark here. Ouch, that. So they are showing the pain. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Banana splits are the best dessert. So this is the expression of the taste which they like. So they have used exclamatory mark. So finally, there are 4 types of sentences. They are declarative sentence which gives statements or information. Next is interrogative sentence which is questions are asked and we will be using question mark at the end of the sentence. Next is exclamatory sentence. We should use interjections and exclamatory marks will be used after the interjections which gives the emotions, which expresses the emotion in a sentence. Next is imperative sentence which gives the command or request. So it mostly ends with periods or sometimes it also ends with exclamatory mark. So these are the types of sentences. I hope you understand. Thank you.